Hey, Sandra here with First Class RV Adventures, and thank you so much for tuning back into our channel. I am excited because we have a series of Nomad Fest videos coming to you here soon. And today's video is the pre-Nomad Fest days. It is the days leading up to the excitement of this incredible event, and if you missed it, make sure that you do not miss Nomad Fest 2019 because I know that it will sell out. So come along, come check out what happened the days before Nomad Fest officially kicked off on the 18th. Come on. So we finally got set up, and this is definitely the calm before the storm. I went ahead and decorated and wrote on our windows. Pretty fun getting ready for the RV Nomads premiere, and it is also fun that we got here a little bit earlier because we are seeing the fairgrounds empty, and we know that in just a couple of days this will all fill up. We added a few new stickers. We got new Camp Addict, which she's parked right next to us, Kelly Beasley. Make sure you check out Camp Addict. She's actually in the movie as well. And more decorating. We are right in zone 2, so we are excited because we are actually the camp hosts over in this zone. And it's the first time we do something like this, so we are super pumped to meet everybody and see our zone fill up. And we are right next to the pavilion, which is also nice. This pavilion is where Driving and Vibing and Audrey Callahan Music will be performing on Friday night to kick off the whole event. So you can kind of see over there I spot Always on Liberty and Chicory's Travels. Super cool and exciting, and we can't wait to share as the fairgrounds fills up.
We can always stay a little longer. We don't have a plan. Just let me live a little younger than I really am.
The Nomad bird.
We've got nothing here to save
So
us. Save us from ourselves. Let's live life like it's made up. Jump in the wishing well. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us.
Busted tooth? What? Can you show Daddy? Oh, show Daddy. Yeah, 6 years ago you were in my belly and Mom was like, and Daddy used to think it was so cute that I wobbled everywhere. Mommy was a wobbler. Shoes lost his.
This is all we ever wanted. Feel the calm within. Don't let the past become our struggles. We will never win. Don't wanna feel suffocated. Time to break the chains. Give in to all your temptations and just run away. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. 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 We are wanderers, we are wanderers.
Naya.
Naya.
Oh, Naya.
She just made herself comfy. Oh. So that way you just know what's going on and who's working. So if you do have time and you want to help out, those are the people that you can go and talk to. So we are out here putting these fabulous green and white balloons and making sure people do not get lost. Which way to go?
Which way to go.
Yep. Which way to go for Nomad Fest? Woo! Stay tuned for the official day 1 of Nomad Fest 2018. See you soon.